Find a nice comfortable sitting position. Close your eyes. Bring your spine up straight. Roll your shoulders up and back. Allow your chest to open, the shoulder blades to come together. Draw your chin slightly inwards so you can elongate the back of the neck. Bring your attention to your breath. And observe the natural flow of the breath. As it comes in, as it goes out. Noticing the natural expansion and contraction in your body every time you take an inhale, every time you exhale. Start cultivating quality of an inner smile. Smile that radiates from within. And allow this smile to be your expression of gratitude, appreciation, respect for the intelligence of the body. Directing your breath, your attention, your smile into your lungs. Visualize a bright white light permeating the organ. Taking in qualities of courage, righteousness. Exhaling and releasing sadness and grief. Inhaling white light, courage and righteousness. Releasing sadness and grief with the healing sound for the lungs. Like a snake whistling. White light, courage, righteousness. Exhale, sadness and grief. Next, inhale, arms up, elbows out, fingers in, palms up. White light, courage and righteousness. Releasing sadness and grief. Breathing and smiling into the lungs. Inhaling, arms up, white light, courage and righteousness. And one more time. White light, courage and righteousness, releasing sadness and grief. Breathing and smiling deeply into the lungs. Respect, gratitude and appreciation for the intelligence of the lungs. Shifting the attention and the hands to the lower back. Breathing and smiling into the kidneys. Inhaling a dark blue light into the organ. Qualities of calmness and centeredness. Exhaling and releasing fear from the kidneys using the sound. Rounded lips like blowing out the candle. Dark blue, calmness and centeredness, releasing fear. And one more time, taking in dark blue, calmness, centeredness, releasing fear. And breathing and smiling deeply into the kidneys. Respect, gratitude, appreciation for all this intelligence. Shifting the attention and the hands to the right side of the abdomen. Breathing and smiling deeply into the liver. Visualize a lush green color permeating the organ. Inhaling kindness, exhaling and releasing anger with the healing sound for the liver. Shh. As if you're telling someone to be quiet. Inhaling lush green, kindness, exhaling and release anger. Next inhale, arms up, lush green. Lean slightly to your left, look up, exhale and release anger with the sound. Breathing and smiling into the liver. Inhaling, arms up, lush green, kindness, releasing anger. Breathing and smiling into the liver. And one more time, rising up, inhaling lush green, kindness, exhaling and releasing anger. Breathing, smiling deeply into the liver. Respect, gratitude, and appreciation for all the intelligence and work the liver does for us. Shifting the attention in the hands to the center of the chest. Connecting with the heartbeat as we breathe and smile into the heart. Visualize a bright red color radiating from the heart. Inhaling qualities of love, joy, compassion. Exhaling hate, hastiness, and cruelty using the sound for the heart. Inhaling, arms up, lean slightly to the right. Red, love, joy, compassion. Breathing and smiling into the heart. Inhaling up, red, love, joy, compassion. Release hate, hastiness, and cruelty. Breathing and smiling into the heart. And one more time, rising up. Red, love, joy, compassion. Breathing and smiling into the heart with respect, gratitude and appreciation for all the relentless work the heart does. Shifting the attention and the hands to the left side of the abdomen. And here we're going to connect with the stomach. Breathing and smiling deeply into the stomach. Visualize a warm yellow light permeating the organ. Inhaling qualities of trust. Exhaling worry. Using the sound for the stomach. So place your fingertips under the ribs. Allow the fingers to dig into the stomach as you release worry with the sound. Breathing and smiling into the stomach. Inhaling warm yellow, trust, release worry. Warm yellow, trust, exhale worry. And breathing and smiling into the stomach. Respect, gratitude and appreciation for intelligence of the stomach. Triple Hira sound. So with soft shoulders, soft elbows, soft wrists, soft hands. Raise the arms up. Bring the fingertips together, palms of the hands facing down, drawing the heat that naturally rises up and cool it down in our water-based centers using the healing sound. Cooling the fire in the water. One more. And letting your hands rest on your knees. Your spine up straight. Your eyes closed. Your attention inwards. Your inner smile radiating. Visualize the white light from the lungs expanding. And see it merging with the expanding dark blue from the kidneys. The lush green from the liver. bright red from the heart. With a warm yellow from the stomach. Sitting rooted and grounded in the virtues of courage, righteousness, calmness, centeredness, kindness, love, joy, compassion, and trust. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Take a gentle bow as a sign of respect, gratitude, appreciation for the intelligence of the internal organs. Understanding and acknowledging that when we take responsibility for our emotional states, we are taking responsibility for our life. Thank you.